In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an awesome Beat Sync Music Festival video using Filmora 14. It's super fun and gives your edits a professional, dynamic feel. But before we dive in, if you're thinking about getting Filmora, there's a link in the description you can use to purchase it. Let's get started. First, pick the music you want to sync your photos or videos to. This will be the core of your edit, so choose something with strong, clear beats. Go to the File section, open up Project Settings, and set the aspect ratio to Portrait Mode. Click OK to apply the changes. Let's begin editing. Drag your music onto the timeline. Find the point where you want the video to start. Split the audio there and delete the extra part before that point. Now comes the most important part, beat marking. You need to listen carefully to your music and mark each beat. It takes a little time, but trust me, it's totally worth it. Once your beat markers are ready, start placing your clips or photos right at those markers and arrange them accordingly. After adding all your footage, here's what it should look like. Now, select all your clips and choose Crop to Fit so everything fills the screen properly. Next, select all the footage again and create a compound clip. This combines everything into a single clip so you can apply animation more easily. Now let's add a zoom animation to make things more dynamic. Select the compound clip, go to the very beginning, and add a transform keyframe with default values. Move the playhead to the midpoint of the clip, add another keyframe, and increase the scale to somewhere between 130 and 150, depending on the look you want. Then move to the end of the clip and reset the scale. This will automatically add a keyframe with default values. So now your video will slowly zoom in, then zoom out, creating a smooth cinematic effect. To make the video even more engaging, let's add some effects. First one, mild shake. Drag and drop it onto the clip. Tweak the frequency and other settings based on your preference. There's no perfect number. Just test and see what looks best for your edit. Next is the extreme shake. Drop it on your timeline, stretch it to cover the full duration, and set the frequency to around 5 to 7. Depending on how intense you want it. Then we've got RGB split. I personally like how it looks with default settings, but feel free to adjust the values to suit your video. And finally, the audio visualizer glow. I usually set the sensitivity between 50 and 60, but again, play around with it based on your music. It adds a glowing effect that looks really cool when synced with the beat. Once you've added all that, here's the final result. You can also add some text or lyrics if you want to enhance the vibe further. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.